Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. The reason I haven't been posting any videos on this project the last couple of months was because it's way too hot outside to work on a project like this where you have to cut and weld, and it gets ridiculously hot and humid out here. So I decided to just work on something else for a couple of months, wait for the weather to cool down and work on it again. Which this morning, when I walked out here, it's actually 70 degrees out here in the morning. It's going to rise up to about 90. So I'm going to work on this maybe half days for the time being until the temperature drops a little bit more. Now, winter months here is awesome to work on a project like this. So I'm looking forward to work on it a lot more the next probably 4 or 5 months. So I'm pretty excited to get back with this. So I'm going to update you to what I've been doing here and there in the summer, and then what the plan is for the next month or two. So here's the body in its current condition. And what I've done was trying to close up under here. So under here is all done on this side, which is really nice. And that's what's remaining on that side to get done. And then over here, close up on this side, but then I need to fill in this gap over here, and I'm going to work on that this morning, trying to get that done. I already cut the pieces to fill it in just like the other side. Body wise, everything else is pretty much completed. The interior almost done. I just need to fill in all this space. Just a piece of sheet metal there, and the interior is done. On my other videos I show you that, and believe it or not, in 2 months all this rust came in. It just surface rust because it's so humid out here. Summer months in Texas are very, very humid, so I'm gonna have to sand all that down, treat the rust, and go from there. So I still need to do a lot more stitching of the weld before I can do the body work. But it's basically done structurally, which is nice. So that's where we at with the project now. This morning I'm like I said, I'm gonna work on that under fender, the liner, and get that done. This is one of the pieces I'm going to be cutting. I'll give you an update on some of my other projects that I've been working on in the summer. That's my boy Rookie. Hi Rookie. That's his little baby sister over there. This is the C8 that I've been working on off and on in the summer. And so yeah, and this is the project that I've been working on the last couple of months. It's a 90 Mustang. It is an LX, but it has a 5.0 liter on it with a notchback, which is really nice. It's one of my favorite cars when I was in high school. Of course I couldn't afford it, so I got it a couple years ago, maybe 3 years ago. It was a great deal, so I bought it and started to restore it when I have time. So love those dual exhausts that sticks out like that. That's how it was from the factory. Done a lot of work on the interior. You see that the dash cracked, so I glued it all back up, and everything's gonna look nice and neat when I'm done. I fixed the power window, took the headliner down, and we'll put a brand new headliner on there. So hopefully I'm gonna get all this done in the next few weeks, so I can get back on the Warthog project. I replaced the front fender, cleaned the front wheel, did the brake work. Now you can see the difference between the front and rear wheel. Front one a lot nicer. Polished it and get the whole thing done. took the bumper out and sanded down. So it's pretty much ready for paint. This will work on the engine. It's running like perfect now, which is great. New fender over here too. The guy owned it before me. Put a bunch of dents on it. So yeah, no, that's what I've been working on the last couple of months. I do have AC in this garage, which is real nice. Today I have the door open, of course, but normally I close it and the AC on. Been working off and on this Oldsmobile as well. It's really nice 442. And as you notice, I have a couple of Hellcat engines in here. So this is just a loose engine. I bought it for my 73 Challenger that's out in the back. And then I ran across this deal with somebody selling the entire subframe with the engine and coilovers and all of that, this whole setup. And so I bought this whole thing, so now I have an extra engine sitting over there. So I might rebuild another car. I really like to get a Charger, a 68 Charger. So I've been looking for a good deal on that. So I'm going to restore that and put this on. So on this side of the garage, this is where I have the HUMVEE chassis sitting in here. And this is the bay that I do have a lift to work on different cars. You see that it's still sitting here waiting for the body to get done. Get Mustang parts all over down here. I really need to get the Mustang done and start working on these projects. So yeah, and this is where we are with the chassis. Everything is done, like the engine work is completed. It's just right now I'm just waiting for that body to get done so I can drop down here. It's going to be so nice when the truck is put together. Right now you can see it's taking so much space in my storage. This take one space, and the body out back take actually 2 spaces back there because I need to do fabrication. So as soon as I join the body to this, I will have a lot of free space to work with. So really looking forward to that. I thought I'd give you guys a quick update on the HUMVEE and Warthog project. Letting you guys know that I put the project on hold for a couple of months, but I'm gonna get back with it real soon. I'm gonna do more work within the next few weeks, and then a lot more after that. And I'm just gonna stay focused on working on the project until it's completed, or until springtime when it gets really hot again, and then I might have to postpone it. But let's just hope that we get everything done by then. So yeah, please check back with me in a few weeks, and hopefully I'll get more updates for you. And this project's getting pretty excited, and it's gonna get only get better and better. It's gonna look great by the time I get the body into the chassis. I really can't wait for that to happen. So until then, I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.